Hawaii has struggled with invasive species for years. For example, mongoose, fire ants, termites, weeds, and others have been a large threat to many of our native Hawaiian species.
That's why we have a solution. A solution that will prove to be cost efficient and much more humane.
Our solution is to use a method called chemical control. Chemical control is used for killing off dangerous weeds or invasive bugs. There are many ways to get rid or prevent these invasive organisms from getting onto your property. But doing these things takes a lot of hard work and a lot of money to spend.
Invasive species can take all kinds of forms, such as plants, animals, and fungi, making them an extremely biodiverse group.
When using our product, you won't need to worry about your health because this form of weed killer is not harmful to humans and is completely safe to spray near people, although consumption is very toxic.
Weeds cut off food supply for surrounding plants, which means your plants don't get enough nitrogen, potassium, and other nutrients. Without these essentials, they become more susceptible to disease and insect infestation. That's why you should get rid of them as quickly as possible using our product. Our product does not harm the surrounding environment by only targeting the weed enzymes, but leaving the other plant enzymes alone. The way it works is that it interferes with the other weed's growth and patterns and blocks off photosynthesis and protein production, subsequently causing the weed to die.
Our weed killer isn't just used for invasive plants. It can also be used on invasive insects by spraying it on the infestation. This is due to the weed killer acting as a poison for the insects, especially in a large quantity.
Invasive insects and plants can affect humans as well as spreading diseases or causing allergies. This can seriously affect us and our environment if these organisms are not handled properly. That's why our weed killer is the best choice for you and the environment.
Typically, the price of other weed killers is $20 to $30, and that's because they have a bunch of harsh and dangerous chemicals that can potentially be very harmful to you and your plants. But our product is only $10 due to less harmful chemicals and more chemicals that target specifically weed enzymes, so you don't need to worry about your plants dying from a lack of nutrients.